Hi YouTube, this is Miss Charisma coming at you for my 7-month update. Well, it was 7 months on the 29th of March. However, March wasn't good for me at all. I don't know, from 206, I went from 2010 to 206. I mean, I was up, back and forth. I lost nothing, maybe 1 pound in March. Okay, however, this is April. I did join the gym. And, well, for my last video, I was 206 pounds. I was at my 100-pound loss, my 100-pound goal. And I have lost 100 pounds in 6 months. 6 months and 3 days. But this month has been really nice. I joined the gym, Planet Fitness. I've been on an elliptical machine. I've been burning like 650 calories in 1 hour. I've been doing good. Well, I got on a scale today, and however, I'm 199.6. So I don't know if I'm considered in Wonderland, but last month was not good. I was walking and jogging. That kind of hurt my back a little bit, so I wasn't able to do that. So I guess that wasn't good for my weight loss at all. Well, this month, I'm hoping for the best. I set another goal, and at the end of the month, I want to be at least 188 pounds. So let's see what happens. So I was going to do a full body shot, but maybe I'll come back on in a couple of weeks to give you an update since I've been going to the gym. I've been going to the gym for like maybe 5 or 6 days, and I have seen beautiful results. So guys, I'm loving my sleep. Still 0 calories with the drinks. Just exercise, and I'm happy. I do not regret anything. I'm in Michigan. Dr. Michael Wood is my surgeon at Hartford Bariatric. But I'm doing wonderful. 199.6. Today is March 9th. I've been doing good. So 7 months and a week, 9 days. So guys, I'll get back on here in the next couple of weeks and tell you how to gym things. Size, stretch, 10s, well, 11 comfortable, 9, 10s, a little tight, but I'm in 9, 10, 11s. So let's see what happens. All right, bye YouTube, love you, bye.